friends, it's been a while. I have not been on socials a whole lot, making any videos or posting much, because last I left off I was 37 weeks pregnant and I had to be induced and have a baby. So she's now almost 3 months old, and I'm just now getting around to finding a routine and opening the package from Atwood that I ordered in May, I think. So it's been a little while. I haven't been able to really do a lot of crafting for that duration as well, so hoping to kind of get back into that a little bit too. But to kind of go over what I got in this order, I have a little bit of some 550 cord, restocked some 95 cord, and I got some new micro cord colors. So with the 550 cords, I've got Air Force Gold, which is basically like a goldenrod, just a really warm yellowy, not orange, not yellow, but a nice in between. And then purple, pretty basic, but kind of a nice saturated purple. And then Oil Slick is one of the patterns. It's got, I'm restocking this, of course, so I've spoke about this before, but it's got some blue, purple, maroon, and some dark green in there as well. And then one of the color changing or color shifting cords, Jolly Rancher. This one's got some vertical stripes of pink. It kind of looks like a neon and like a salmon type pink with little bits of yellow and green in there as well. So it kind of has that yellow green undertone shift in different lighting or different angles. And then for the 95 colors, restocking some red, Alloy Orange. This one's a little bit lighter, brighter than Burnt Orange. Golden Yellow, which really kind of just looks like a standard yellow, but just has a slight warm undertone to it. And then a regular green. A new one that I've got for 95, actually all of these are new ones for 95 cords. I've got Sour Apple. So this one's kind of a neon type shade. Really bright, but maybe not necessarily marketed as neon. But, and then I've got Sand, which is basically kind of like a blonde or a really light tan color. And then two pattern ones, Ground War. This one has some black, tan, or gold, a little bit of olive drab, some brown. Gotta put those down. Yeah, some brown, tan, olive drab, and black in there. So a nice brown pattern. And then Arctic Camo, which I have this one in 550 cord as well. This one has some white and two different shades of gray. So like a little bit of a darker gray and a lighter gray mixed in with some white. And then what got me to order this particular one, minus needing to restock a few things, was the micro cords. They have color shifting micro cords now. So I was very excited. I've got some of these in 550, but otherwise I'm like, I'm getting every one of them. I just want them all. So the first one is Hummingbird. So I feel weird to like holding it over here, but this one shifts kind of that orange, red, and obviously you see some of the green in there. It's got mostly some stripes of green with a little bit of red and orange in there as well. So really cool shifting there. This one is Chameleon. So still very similar. This one's got stripes of green with some purple and some red. So kind of has a little bit of that red-green shift in there too. Prism. I also have this one with the 550 cords. This one has stripes of blue with some gray and red in there as well. This one and all the rest of them are actually brand new ones. I've never had these colors in 550 or micro. This one is dragon fruit, stripes of red with purple and green. Molten Orange. It's really fun. This one's kind of like stripes of a burnt orange with red and purple in there. So kind of has that red orange hue shift in there, really cute. And then this one's just really fun, really bright. It doesn't seem to have a ton of shift in it. It's called Peach, but it really just looks like there's solid straight lines of kind of a burnt orange and more of a neon type pink in there. So really just kind of a nice peachy color, just as it sounds. So that's all of them together. How cute are those? Now I can incorporate even more colors into projects with patterned micro cords, and then yeah, can continue to make things with all of the other ones that I've restocked as well. But that's all that I've got for today's shipments, or May's shipment rather. I'm still trying to learn how to be a mom and balance everything that comes around with that, and work and things like that. So I am still trying to get back to crafting because I kind of am itching to do it, but I'm quite slow at it, really, honestly. So if you do feel like placing any kind of custom orders with me, I'm more than happy to be able to make that for you. I just ask for some patience, quite a bit of patience, because it's a lot to do. But check the video description, or contact me, reach out to me wherever you find me on socials to get a discount at Wood Rope Manufacturing. And yeah, I think that's all I've got for today. Little girl is actually in the middle of a nap, so she couldn't quite hang today for this unboxing, but I did get a clip of her earlier before she had a little bit of lunch. So I'll attach that at the end so you can kind of meet my daughter. But I hope everyone has been well, and I wish you the best. Take care, my friends. You're not gonna look at the camera. No? You like the window, huh?